How to get monetized on YouTube. Do you want to start making money from YouTube? Firstly, you must understand YouTube monetization requirements. To join the YouTube Partner Program, there are two options. Option 1, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Or Option 2, 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts, views in 90 days. Create original content. One of the biggest reasons channels get rejected is reused content. Create content with your own voice, editing, personality, or teaching style. Pick a profitable niche. Some niches grow and monetize faster than others. Examples: tech tutorials, finance, AI tools, education, gaming, business, commentary. Choose something you enjoy and can post consistently. Focus on watch time. Watch time is extremely important. To increase watch time, hook viewers in the first 10 seconds. Remove boring parts. Keep editing fast and engaging, use storytelling, add subtitles and music. The longer people watch, the more YouTube recommends your videos. Improve thumbnails and titles. If nobody clicks your videos, you won't grow. Your thumbnail should be bright, simple, easy to read, create curiosity. Your title should promise value. Example: how I made my first $100 on YouTube. Upload consistently. Consistency matters more than perfection. Instead of posting once every 2 months, try 1 video weekly or 2 videos weekly. The more quality content you upload, the faster your channel grows. Use YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are one of the fastest ways to gain subscribers. Turn long videos into quick tips, funny moments, viral clips, mini tutorials. Shorts can bring massive exposure to small channels. Avoid copyright problems. Copyright issues can stop monetization. Avoid using copyrighted songs, TV clips, movie scenes. Use royalty-free music or audio from the YouTube audio library. Apply for monetization. Once you reach the requirements, open YouTube Studio. Go to Earn. Apply for monetization. You'll need to connect a Google AdSense account to receive payments. Wait for review. YouTube will review your channel manually. This may take a few days or several weeks. If your content follows the rules, you'll likely get approved. If this video helped you understand YouTube monetization, smash the like button and subscribe for more YouTube growth tips.